Good morning, students. We are doing English practice book chapter number 1, putting it together. So students, previously we have done up to worksheet number 7 A part, and these last two I have given to you. Fine, that they are to be done by yourself. I think you have done them. Now students, B part we are going to take. Given below is a picture of Mr. Arya's house. Look at the picture and complete the following description of the location of his house by filling in appropriate prepositions. So students, we are supposed to put up prepositions here. Fine. Prepositions are this: in, to, at, on. Okay, you have done it earlier also. Mr. Arya's house is located in the west. With directions we use in the west of New City. The house is situated besides the main highway which connects the city to the other parts of the country. For going to the main city, Mr. Arya has to cross a bridge across a river. Beautiful boats sail in the river throughout the year. While crossing the bridge, Mr. Arya can see many children swimming in the river. Now students, worksheet number 8. Mrs. Arya wants to go for shopping. She prepares a list of the things to be bought. Look at the list given below and write CN against the countable nouns and UN against the uncountable nouns. The first one has been done for you. So students, the nouns that can be counted, जिनको हम numbers में count कर सकते हैं. Fine. Milk. We can't count milk. We measure milk. Fine. There is a difference. Okay. So milk is an uncountable noun. Then tea. Tea again, that is uncountable. Carrot. Yeah. Pieces, carrots individually हम उनको count कर सकते हैं, like 10 carrots, 8 carrots, 5 carrots. So they are countable. Flour, जो आटा है, that is also uncountable. Salt, that is also uncountable. Pulse, pulses also they are uncountable. Tomato, that is countable. Cotton, uncountable. Candle, again countable. Sugar, again uncountable. Now students, we have worksheet number 9. Mrs. Arya prepares a delicious dish called spicy rice. Mrs. Ved requests her to let her know the recipe of the same. Mrs. Arya sends her the following recipe. So this is a recipe of spicy rice. You can also make it, Boil the desired quantity of rice. Remove its starch in another vessel. Fry onions and ginger. Add salt, red chili powder, green chilies and grated capsicums. Next, add turmeric powder and spices. After the gravy has been fried, add some saffron and cashew nuts. Add rice and cook it for 5 minutes. Now students, we are not here to learn how to cook spicy rice, but what we are supposed to do, from the recipe given below, list all the countable and uncountable nouns in the boxes given on the next page. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to count the nouns, uncountable and countable. Now students, I have done countable. Countable, you will fill onions, ginger, vessel, green chilies, capsicum. Then students, uncountable: rice, starch, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. And few are left, 2-3 are left, that you will do by your own. Okay students. Now students, worksheet number 10. Nikki and Millie visit a museum where they see various precious things that belonged to kings, queens and other great people. Look at the visuals below and write complete sentences. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. The throne of Emperor Akbar. They saw Emperor Akbar's throne. Meaning is same, but the writing style is different. Fine. They saw Emperor Akbar's stone. When we are पुटिंग apostrophe s, that means it is showing the possession कि ये अकबर का है. ओके. द वॉच बिलोंगिंग टू महात्मा गांधी. दे सॉ महात्मा गांधीज वॉच. ओके. देन द ज्वेलरी ऑफ एम्प्रेस नूर जहां. They saw Empress Noor Jahan's jewelry. Here also we have put the apostrophe s, that is for the possession. Then the wooden pen of Munshi Premchand. They saw Munshi Premchand's wooden pen. Okay, again apostrophe s, that is showing the possession. The crown of a Persian king. They saw Persian king's crown. Portrait of Mirabai. They saw Mirabai's portrait. So students, why we are studying these things? That's why you can also use these in your own language while writing something, while speaking it. You can also use these things. Now students, worksheet number 11. Mr. Arya has grown a new kind of vegetable. You can see in the picture that is a huge vegetable size of a human being. He cannot pull it out. Look at the pictures below and describe his efforts to pull it out. The first one has been done for you. Students, you can do it by your own self also. Okay? If you want. Mr. Arya is amazed to see the huge vegetable. Okay? Then what he is doing in the picture, you can see he is trying to pull it out. He tried to pull it out. Then next, again you can see the picture that he went to Mrs. Arya. Mr. Arya called Mrs. Arya. Then they both were trying. Mr. Arya and Mrs. Arya tried to pull the vegetable out. Then you can see Mrs. Arya told Nikki. Mrs. Arya called Nikki. Three of them tried to pull the vegetable out. Nikki called Snoopy. Mr. Arya, Mrs. Arya, Nikki and Snoopy tried to pull the vegetable out. Then you can see in the picture, at last they pulled it out. Okay students? So according to you, whatever you think you are supposed to fill here, you can write that in your own language also. Otherwise you can write same as I have told you. Fine, that is up to you only. Now students, worksheet number 12. Mr. Arya has developed a new vegetable. A picture of the vegetable is given below. This is a new vegetable that is being developed by Mr. Arya. Look at the picture and describe. You may include the following points in your description. Okay. So firstly, the vegetable looks like, according to me, it looks like tamarind. That is imli. है ना, उसके जैसी लग रही है, right? According to me, it should be named. That is up to you. Whatever you want to name it, you can name it. Okay? बिल्कुल कोई फनी सा अच्छा सा नाम, कुछ वेजिटेबल्स को मिला के वैसा नाम रख दो. Okay? It is rich in vitamins and is good for our health. It should be finely chopped and boiled. Some spices to be added and served. Okay? Now students, our chapter 1 is about to finish. So this is the last one. वैसे तो it is do it yourself, but I will help you as the schools are not going on. So you must be facing certain problems. So students, here the following passage has not been edited. Underline the errors and write the correct words in the space provided. The first word has been done for you. A hungry fox were hunting for his dinner. A single fox, that means was. Fine, was. Underline और यहाँ पे लिख भी दिया. Next one. He entered in a garden where he knew. Students, in की there is not any need of in. He entered a garden. Okay. Then we will put dash here. Then he knew he would found some taste grapes. So instead of taste, it will be tasty. Okay. The fox saw many large bunches in grapes. So in grapes तो नहीं आएगा. It would be of grapes. Hanging right in his head. In his head, head के अंदर? No. above his head. Okay. He jumped and jumped, but they could not reach. They थोड़ा ही आएगा. He could not reach. Okay. Them, how bitter they look, he said. Then यहाँ पे तो हम छोड़ देंगे इसको. I must has them. So instead of has, it will be have them. So he jumped again. You know, when we are asking to someone to eat something, then we used to say have it, have your dinner. So the word is have, not has. But and grapes, and तो नहीं आएगा, but the grapes were too high. At last he grew tired and said, the grapes is sour, so it is plural, so it will come are. I does not want to have them. That means I do not want to have them. Okay students, so chapter 1 is completed. You are also supposed to complete your chapter 1 in your books. ठीक है, साथ साथ करते रहोगे, then कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.